490 megahertz CRCS radio system. If this program works, it will be used as a model throughout the system. The WMATA MetroRail system has several different antenna systems running through the tunnels. One of these systems is the Verizon cell phone antenna system. There's a PSS or public safety radio system. There's the 490 megahertz radio system, and there's our old 160 megahertz radio system. Segment 18 was installed by Intellect, a company out of Baltimore which specializes in tunnel antenna systems. Intellect devised a platform which mounts to one of the WMATA's flat cars and is pulled by a prime mover. The platform extends approximately 3 feet out to either side and cantilevers over top of the third rail, allowing workers to work right up against the tunnel wall to install the antenna systems. On the steel liner tunnels, the paint must be first ground off and a stud welded on. The studs are welded on using a stud welder. Specially designed studs are inserted into an arc welding gun that is fired into the tunnel liner and actually welds the stud directly to the tunnel liner. A bit of paint protects the tunnel from future rust. Cable fasteners called clicks are then installed to the studs. On concrete tunnels, the tunnel is drilled, a plastic insert is installed, then a standoff with the cable clip is installed and screwed into the tunnel liner. Once cable installation begins, it runs at a fairly rapid pace. Speeds can vary from a mile an hour up to several miles an hour depending on the crew's efficiency, how fast the cable fasteners will click in, and the mood of the prime mover operator. When the cable is installed in one of the cable fasteners, you can hear a definite click. Periodically throughout the tunnel section, there will be crossover cables or up and over cables. These are to get the cables from the tunnel side where there is no safe walk over to the safe walk side to feed bidirectional amplifiers and other devices. The final step in cable installation is installing the ends. Once the cable has been prepared for the connector itself, which comes in many pieces, is carefully installed on the cable and then tightened down. Intellect foreman Tom Shaw personally makes these connections. The cable is then sealed with electrical tape, and this is now ready for the antenna. This project owes a debt of gratitude to Inspector and Escort Gary Brand. This job would have never been done without his expertise.